If you want to export code from Firebase Studio, then here's what you're going to do. So first step is you're going to head over to the studio.firebase.google.com, and then from here you're just going to select your prototype that you want to export. So I'm just going to click on this new prototype, and it will take you to the code editor. So just make sure that you wait for your website to load, and then you're going to look over to the left side panel where you can actually see it. So we're just going to click on, if it takes you to the chat page, what you're going to do is you're going to look over to the right side of your screen, and then you're going to click on switch to code. Now it will show you the code page, and then you will see this panel at the left side of your screen. You're just going to select on all of these. Just make sure that you select it, and then you're going to right click on your mouse, and then from there you're going to click on zip and download. Now after that, you will see, or you will open this download button. And then after that, you will see it downloaded. From here, you're just going to click on that to open the downloaded file. And then you just have to make sure that you're going to extract this folder to somewhere where you want to extract it. And then that's it. That is how you can export code from Firebase Studio. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.